Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Afternoon thunderstorms threaten the city on Monday. Rain and thunderstorms return to Denver on Monday as the metro area gets a reprieve from the excessive heat felt over the last 3 or 4 days. Denver residents can expect a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms after 4 p.m. according to the National Weather Service in Boulder. It will be partly sunny with a high near 78. North-northeast winds between 6 to 14 miles per hour become east-southeast in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 26 miles per hour. Tonight, there is a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. It will be mostly cloudy with a low around 56. East-southeast winds between 6 to 11 miles per hour become light and variable after midnight. Winds could gust as high as 22 miles per hour. 2 more days of rain and thunderstorms each afternoon are probably Tuesday and Wednesday before another drying out and heating up period closes out the week. Expect high temperatures in the low 80s Tuesday and Wednesday, then upper 80s to low 90s into the weekend. Showers likely and possible a thunderstorm between noon and 3 p.m. Then showers and thunderstorms likely after 3 p.m. on Tuesday. It is partly sunny with a high near 84. Calm wind is coming southeast at 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 17 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Showers are likely and possibly on Wednesday with thunderstorm between noon and 3 p.m. Then showers and thunderstorm likely after 3 p.m. Mostly cloudy with a height near 83. Southwest wind 5 to 8 miles per hour becoming north-northeast in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 16 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Denver's weather holds a bit of everything in the mix this week, from the potential for thunderstorms to sunny skies creeping back on the Thursday. The National Weather Service in Denver has forecasted a 40% chance of rain and thunderstorm after 4 p.m. today, with the mercury expected to peak at a breezy 78 degrees. Winds are predicted to pick up the gust, possibly reaching as high as 28 miles per hour, according to the National Weather Service. The outlook remains the same on Tuesday, with a 50% chance of afternoon thunderstorms. However, temperatures are predicted to climb slightly higher, reaching near 84 degrees. Calm winds will turn east at 5 to 7 miles per hour in the morning, with possible gusts as high as 16 miles per hour. Moving into the night, the chances dwindle to 20% of pre-midnight thunderstorms with lows around 61 degrees. Wednesday mirrors Tuesday's forecast but an ounce less heat, maintaining that 50% chance of post-noon showers and thunderstorms. Going into the weekend, Denver residents can enjoy sunny days with temperatures ascending into low 90s, promising an almost uninterrupted stretch of typically warm summer weather. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.